Here we go.
Hey, Ashton. You want to open this with your big brother?
Well, she's opening that one right now, but you can open that one, Brody.
What is that, Ashton? What is that?
A baby flamingo.
What is it?
A pencil. Hey, Ashton, now do you want to open this one with me?
Do you want me to take this out of its box for you? I'll do it.
I'll open one side while you open the other. Hey, Ashton, you open this side.
Okay.
While I open the other side. There.
Planning on saving this box.
Nah.